Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Must eat these 10 natural foods if you are over 50. As individuals age, the importance of a well-balanced and nutrient-rich diet becomes increasingly crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. In this video, we unveil the top 10 natural foods that have proven to be effective for individuals aged 50 and above. Incorporating these nutrient-packed options into your diet can contribute significantly to a healthier and more vibrant lifestyle. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutritional powerhouse for those over 50. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, they offer a natural source of energy. The high content of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, supports eye health and boosts the immune system. Black beans. Black beans are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. They aid in maintaining heart health by managing cholesterol levels and supporting digestion. The combination of protein and fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, making them an ideal choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Broccoli. Known for its rich nutrient profile, broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that provides essential vitamins, including vitamin C and K. It is also a great source of folate, which is vital for cell division and DNA synthesis. Broccoli's antioxidant properties contribute to overall cellular health. Eggplant. Eggplant is low in calories and high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for weight management. It contains compounds that may help improve heart health and control blood sugar levels. The vibrant purple color signifies the presence of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties. Beets. Beets are a nutrient-dense root vegetable rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are known to support heart health by helping lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. Additionally, the natural nitrates found in beets may enhance cognitive function, a crucial aspect for those over 50. Wild-caught salmon. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, wild-caught salmon is an excellent choice for promoting heart health. Omega-3s contribute to reducing inflammation, supporting brain function, and maintaining joint health. The presence of high-quality protein makes it a valuable addition to the diet for those over 50. Avocados. Avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit known for their heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Rich in potassium, they help regulate blood pressure and support cardiovascular health. Avocados also provide a range of vitamins and antioxidants that contribute to overall well-being. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a versatile legume with high protein and fiber content. They aid in digestive health, help regulate blood sugar levels, and provide a steady source of energy. Chickpeas also contain essential nutrients like iron and zinc, crucial for individuals over 50. Ginger. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may help alleviate joint pain and reduce inflammation associated with aging. Additionally, ginger aids in digestion and contributes to overall gut health, an essential aspect of well-being for those over 50. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a nutrient-rich cruciferous vegetable that provides a host of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is a low-calorie option that supports weight management. Cauliflower also contains choline, a nutrient important for cognitive function, making it a valuable addition to the diet for individuals over 50. In conclusion, incorporating these 10 natural foods into your diet can be a proactive step towards maintaining health and vitality beyond the age of 50. As with any dietary changes, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure that these choices align with individual health needs and goals. Remember, a balanced and varied diet, combined with other healthy lifestyle choices, contributes to overall well-being and longevity.
Please like, share, and subscribe my